I'm Brian Larson, Chief Technology Officer at Superior Consulting Services. Welcome to Part 6 of our video series on the Power BI toolset. In this video, we'll look at the tools available to share Power BI content. We'll begin by looking at the Power BI website. The Power BI website is hosted by Microsoft and provides a secure environment for sharing Power BI content. This website allows us to take the spreadsheets containing the models and visualizations that we've created and deploy them to an environment where they can be utilized by others. Silverlight is used to facilitate most of the visualizations within the browser. However, HTML5 alternatives are available in many cases. The emphasis on the Power BI site is sharing content with others. Power BI lives within the Office 365 environment. Let's take a look at using the Power BI website. We'll go to the Office 365 online site, and I'll sign in using my Office 365 login. Once I'm signed in, we'll go to the Power BI tool within the Office 365 environment. And then I'll go to my team site within that Power BI tool. Once on the team site, I'll choose to upload some additional content for the site. We'll go ahead and find the Excel file that I have been working with to create our model and visualizations throughout these videos. I'll upload that spreadsheet file, and once the file is uploaded, I'll see an indication of that file in the team site. I can go ahead and make that a favorite. I can also make that a set of featured reports on the Power BI website. Finally, I can enable that for Power Q&A. More on that in a moment or two. So I can see now I have my spreadsheet in the featured reports section. When I click on that spreadsheet, it will open up all of the visualizations that I've created in that spreadsheet using Power View, and I can interact with them in the same manner that I could in our spreadsheet itself. With the population report, I have the same drill down and drill up capabilities. Even the timeline works in the scatter plot. Next, we'll take a look at the Power Q&A tool. This tool allows us to ask questions of our model and receive information in response to those questions. Questions are posed using complete English sentences. The results are returned as tables or charts, even maps. Additional information can be added to the data model to assist with the querying process. The emphasis is on being able to interact with the data model in a natural way. Power Q&A lives within the Power BI website. We go to the upper right corner here and click on the Power QA link. That brings up a prompt, and I can type in a question in English and receive the information. Even as I'm typing the sentence, I'm receiving a reply from the model, and that is being refined as I add more and more clauses to my question. Finally, I get to a point here where the Power Q&A environment realizes that I'm asking a geographic related question, and it presents the answer on a map. If I really like the results that I'm getting from that question, I can take and copy that question text and paste it in a question that will become a featured question on my team site. That will allow others to use that question for their own information. Once I set up the featured question properties here and go ahead and save it, we'll see that a placeholder for that featured question appears back on the main page of the team site. Finally, we want to talk about the Power BI app. This is an application that allows for the delivery of Power BI content to mobile devices. The content comes from the Power BI website. The Power BI app is available for Windows 8 currently and coming soon for Android, iPad, and iPhone. The emphasis is on making the analysis available in these mobile environments. The native apps can be downloaded from the appropriate app store. Let's take a quick look at the Windows 8 version of the Power BI app. This app will use our Office 365 credentials to connect to the Power BI site and allow us to interact with any of the visualizations that have been uploaded to the Power BI site. As you can see, all of the interactivity with those visualizations is available to us through the Power BI app. So we can take our business intelligence with us anywhere we need to go. Microsoft continues to add new features and new tools to the Power BI toolset. You may have noticed the introductory item on the Power BI website talking about the preview of the Power BI dashboard. Check back with these videos for updates on those new features as they move into production. If you're interested in consulting or mentoring on any of the Power BI tools, please visit our website at www.teamscs.com. Thank you for watching.